Hi, Pramod.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, I'm good, Pramod. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. Then feedback pick that. So before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇದು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Pramod Kumar. I am from RYMEC College, Ballari. Our sir Basaprabhu has referred as for CMTI, ma'am. Here I took IDM course for 3 months. I learned a lot of things about interiors and also about commercial interiors and as well as residential interiors also, about the standard dimensions and the factory visits all. And our faculties were very good. They are very interactive with us. And I attended interview of Homeland for a measurement executive role. I took online interview.
Okay, so you attended the interviews and online, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So which you passed out, Pramod?
2023.
Okay, so you're a fresher then.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So you had opted interior design and site management, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what and all you learned in that? Like apart from residential and commercial, what did you learn?
About the kitchen designs, TV units, and about the standard dimensions of kitchen units and how to design, and about the cut list we have learned a lot of things like how to estimate the cost of the project and how to estimate the quantity of the raw materials we require for the interiors.
Okay. So have you visited any factory?
Yes, ma'am. I have visited factories.
Fine. So
Like IBO, it is of hardware outlet, ma'am, and we have visited D2 Mall Life factory visit.
okay. So what about your site visits, showroom visit and all?
There, it was good, ma'am. Like we can learn a lot of things there about the practical aspects in interiors. So we can learn a lot of things, and we can saw a lot of designs regarding how much creativity we can use in the interiors.
Okay, fine. Like what about the trainers? How did they approach to you? Can you tell me about them?
Our trainers were very good, ma'am, because whenever we felt some difficulties like doubts and all, we used to approach them. They were very good in training us. Like they are very interactive. They are supported very well.
Fine. So what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
Same day is good, ma'am, for trainings. Like we can learn here a lot of things. It is very good for interior designs and for factory visits. Here we can learn even the practical things very well.
Okay. So what about Ashok sir? How was his guidance and motivation and all?
Ashok sir was very good, ma'am. Like he was guiding us for our career. He was motivating us.
Okay, fine. Then, like, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors about
My
CMTI?
friends and friends, like if you want to gain some knowledge before joining for a job, you can come to CMTI and gain some knowledge here.
Okay. So, Pramod, tell me this, like as a fresher now. So, why this certified training is very important to fresher to take this training?
Because whenever we go,
Any particular reasons you are having? So, any particular points to tell them?
because whenever we come out as a freshers, a lot of companies don't prefer us because of the fresher. When we take some trainings like certified trainings, they give some importance for us because we have done some training which is certified. So they consider this is as an experience.
Okay, so before going into the company, like you'll be gaining your experience, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So, like how are staffs of CMTI, the overall coordination?
Overall coordination is good, ma'am, because even you two helped us a lot, like going to factory visits.
Okay, fine. So, okay. Thank you, Pramod. Thank you so much for your feedback and congratulations once again for your placements.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.